Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best cordless impact drivers on the market for this year. These powerful and versatile tools are designed to make your tasks faster, smoother, and more efficient. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Milwaukee M12 Hex Impact Driver Kit. This impact driver kit is a true powerhouse in a compact package. This exceptional impact driver is designed to make your tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Its brushless motor technology ensures maximum power and longer tool life. With an impressive torque of up to 1,300 pounds, it can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. What sets this impact driver apart is its exceptional control and precision. The variable speed trigger allows you to adjust the speed according to the task at hand, while the built-in LED lights illuminate the work area, ensuring accurate results in low light conditions. The overall design is ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip and reducing user fatigue during extended use. The Milwaukee M12 fuel kit comes with 2 M12 lithium CP 2.0 batteries, which offer excellent runtime and charge quickly. The inclusion of the charger ensures you can keep the batteries powered up and ready to go. Whether you're a professional contractor or a D enthusiast, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Impact Driver Kit is a must-have addition to your toolbox. Number 2. Makita Cordless Angle Impact Driver Kit. The Makita 18V Lithium-ion Cordless Angle Impact Driver Kit is a versatile and innovative tool that tackles challenging tasks with ease. Its unique angle design allows you to reach tight and awkward spaces effortlessly, making it perfect for working in confined areas where traditional impact drivers might struggle. Powered by a high-performance 18V lithium-ion battery, this impact driver delivers consistent and reliable power to get the job done. The variable speed trigger and electronic brake give you full control over the tool, ensuring precision and safety in every application. With Makita's signature Extreme Protection Technology (XPT), this impact driver is built to withstand harsh working conditions, making it highly durable and reliable in the long run. Additionally, the built-in LED light enhances visibility, allowing you to work efficiently even in dimly lit environments. Number 3. Bosch Impact Driver Kit. This impact driver kit is a compact yet powerful tool that offers exceptional performance and a portable design. With a brushless motor and electronic motor protection, this impact driver delivers increased efficiency and extends the tool's lifespan. The kit includes 2 12V Max lithium-ion batteries, ensuring you have enough power to finish your tasks without interruptions. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for overhead and extended use applications, reducing strain on your arms and hands. The Bosch impact driver features a 1/4 hex chuck for quick and easy bit changes, and the variable speed trigger allows for precise control over the driving speed. The ergonomic soft grip handle ensures a comfortable grip and reduced user fatigue during extended use. Whether you're working on a professional job site or handling projects at home, this impact driver is a reliable and efficient companion. Number 4. Ryobi Drill and Impact Driver Kit. The Ryobi Impact Driver Kit is a versatile set that covers all your drilling and driving needs. The brushless motor technology ensures improved performance, longer runtime, and extended tool life. The kit includes 2 18V1+ HP lithium-ion batteries, providing ample power to tackle various tasks without interruption. The compact design of both the drill and impact driver allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it perfect for overhead and confined area work. The impact driver features a 1/4 hex collet for quick and straightforward bit changes, and the MagTray magnetic holder keeps your screws and bits within easy reach. With variable speed triggers, you have complete control over the speed and torque for precise and accurate results. The drill also includes a half-keyless chuck with an auto lock feature for quick bit changes. Number 5. Milwaukee Hex Hydraulic Driver Kit. This driver kit is a force to be reckoned with, offering a unique hydraulic drive technology that reduces noise and vibration while increasing overall performance. This makes it an excellent option for working in noise-sensitive environments and for extended use without excessive fatigue. The impact driver's brushless motor delivers impressive power and torque, making it capable of handling heavy-duty applications with ease. The kit includes 2 high-capacity M18 lithium XC 5.0 batteries and a charger, ensuring you have ample power to complete your tasks without interruptions. With its compact and ergonomic design, the Milwaukee Fuel Surge Impact Driver provides a comfortable and secure grip, minimizing hand strain during prolonged use. The onboard LED light illuminates the workspace, allowing for precise and accurate results, even in dark conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.